Now these are what the pendulette keys look like, except for somebody um, welded, or I don't know what you say. Somebody sealed it up. They're not. They have a groove there, and I'm gonna cut that groove out because it's not fitting. Now, I didn't do a very good job cutting that groove out, but it is cut out. And what you do is you take a pair of pliers and you close that. And if you close it too much, guess what? You're going to have to open it up. And my son and his girlfriend's coming over, and she likes clocks. So I'm going to give her this clock, but she's got to be able to wind it up. And this thing is already wound. But anyway, this is, I was told, is a roller skate adjusting key. And I did the same thing. I put a groove in it just so I could close it up. And I've got another one. But they work for clocks, but apparently it's for roller skates. I've already had, there's some listed on Marketplace. Maybe I could close this thing up. I didn't make the groove all the way. I might have to get out my vice grips to close it up, or a hammer. So cutting 2 grooves in this roller skate key, I was able to close it up so this can be wound. For the people who might doubt, this is a Lux pendulette clock. This is the movement. This is that key. You see it rotating. It's not catching because it clicks not working, and this movement is taken apart. But you should be able to see the teeth move. And that's because this key that I just made is working. This key here that I told you is a pendulette key that I cut the groove and closed it. You can see it is rotating those teeth also. So both keys work.